Hello people, it's Catherine. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to put on a screen protector by yourself. Your environment is the key. Make sure you're in a static environment. That means fans should be off. If you're under any air conditioner, shouldn't be under any air vents. If you're outside, like why not? There should be no wind. Now, let's get started. First, you want to prepare all your tools. That means you should have your alcoholic wipes, you should have a dry cloth, and also a pack of stickers. And of course, your screen protector. Now, take out your alcoholic wipes and clean your screen. So there should be no dust on your screen. And then use your dry cloth and dry it. Okay. As quick as possible, take out your screen protector and put it on top of your phone, but don't put it down yet. You want to line it up first and line it up with your speakers, and then run through your fingers to see that it's totally lined up. Once you think it's good, you could go ahead and put it down and draw an L upon your screen protector. Now the protector is doing the work by itself, and obviously you can see some big bubbles. If that's the case, it's alright. You just have to take it off and put it down again. So just push it gently to help it to stick on your screen. And I also see some bubbles on it, so just push it down. Now clean your screen to see if there's any bubbles up there. You're done. See? Nice and easy. So don't be afraid if you're putting on the protector by yourself. It's just that easy.